Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to US and Miss YouTube channel. Today's topic is Nokia 2.3 smartphone price and specifications. Leaks revealed before official launch. So today we'll discuss about Nokia 2.3 smartphone price and specification, which leaks before its official launch. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on these topics. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the full report. Nokia 2.3 smartphone price and specification. US and Mix report Nokia 2.3 price leaked before launch. No possible specifications. Tech company HMD Global is about to launch Nokia 8.2 and Nokia 2.3 on Nokia on December 5 prior to launch. Many reports of both devices were leaked, in which information about the camera, processor and display was revealed. Recently, another report has come out about Nokia 2.3, in which its price has been reported. According to the report, the company will price this phone in the budget segment. Also, users are expected to get the great features in this phone with a large battery. So, let's know about what potential price and specification of Nokia 2.3. It is leaked report revealed before its launch. Potential price of Nokia 2.3. According to the report, Nokia Powerhouse, the company will keep the price of upcoming smartphone Nokia 2.3 at €797, about 8,700 rupees in Indian money. So its Indian market, its price is 8,700 rupees, and in Europe countries it is €97. In addition, this phone will be available with the charcoal color options even before the phone was spotted on many websites. So this is the picture of this smartphone Nokia 2.3. Okay, potential price of Nokia 2.3. According to the report, its price is Nokia 2.3 price is €97 and about 8,700 rupees in Indian market. Potential specification of Nokia 2.3. According to the leaked report, the company will give a 6.1-inch HD display in this phone. Also, users can get the support of MediaTek chipset and dual SIM in it. Talking about the camera, this phone have 16 megapixel sensor in the back panel. Apart from this, HMD will provide features such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS and USB port in terms of global connectivity. And potential features of Nokia 8.2. Nokia 8.2 will be offered as a flagship level. The company can keep the price of this phone in the premium segment. According to the media report, users can get support of Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor, pop-up selfie camera, 64 megapixel sensor in the rear and 8 GB RAM in Nokia 8.2. At the same time, this device will be available with 5G connectivity. This is the leak report before it is official launch. And after it is launched, we will publish full specification and price of this Nokia 2.3 smartphone. But that's it about our today's report. Nokia 2.3 smartphone price and specification leaks revealed before official launch. And after watching this video, now you can know about the information about Nokia 2.3 smartphone price and specification leaks report before its launch. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and like our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe of our US and Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on the video of US and Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.